If you're looking to use QR codes for patient records in Unicode, this video will show you exactly how it works, plus a better alternative if you want more flexibility and security. Stick around because at the end, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial for the best option. First, Unicode lets you generate QR codes for digital records, so healthcare providers can scan and instantly access patient details. This can be useful, but there are limitations, especially when it comes to security, compliance, and customization. Next, setting up QR codes in Unicode is pretty simple. You log in, go to the dashboard, create a new dynamic QR code, and link it to a digital record. You can update the information behind the code without reprinting, which is a plus. But one issue is that Unicode's security features aren't as robust as some other platforms designed specifically for healthcare. HIPAA compliance, for example, isn't natively built in. You need to set up extra safeguards on your end. Another thing to keep in mind is data accessibility. While Unicode gives you analytics on scans and interactions, it's not designed as a full patient management system. So if you need deeper integration with your existing record system, you might run into some roadblocks. The next thing is cost. Unicode has a free trial, but advanced features like API access, security settings, and bulk QR generation require a paid plan. If you're managing multiple patient records and need full encryption, the pricing can add up quickly. So, is Unicode the best option? It works for basic QR-based record access, but if you want a system that's actually built for healthcare, offering better compliance, encryption, and seamless integration, there's a much better option. I've linked an exclusive extended free trial to the best alternative below, plus a few other software options that offer even more security and flexibility. Use the link to get the best trial and benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Check it out now, and I'll see you in the next one.